Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get DramaBox gift codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created this text document of the best way to do this. So step number one, check official sources. So the best place to look for gift codes is DramaBox's official website and their social media pages. They often post special promotions, giveaways, or discount codes on platforms like X, Facebook, and Insta. Make sure to follow them and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Step two, you can join events and promotions. So DramaBox sometimes run events where you can earn gift codes. These could be referral program, holiday promotions, or in-app challenges. Keep an eye out for limited time offers. Number three here, subscribe to their newsletters. So another great way to get gift codes is by subscribing to their newsletter. Companies love rewarding loyal users with exclusive deals, so be sure to check your inbox for any special codes. Also, look for third-party deals. So sometimes websites or online forums share DramaBox promo codes, but be careful, only use trusted sources to avoid scams. And now once you got your gift code, redeeming is super easy. So simply open up the DramaBox app, head to redeem code section, enter your code, and enjoy your rewards.